How cool is that?
Life does not stop and start at your convenience, you miserable piece of sh**.
Hello.
Hello.
Good morning. Happy day after daylight saving time day.
Alright, we slept in. Off on another adventure.
This is my first proper hike back after surgery, so it's gonna be pretty light. Okay, we're out on the trail. Well, sort of trail. We're kind of in the middle of nowhere, and the only reason I know where this is because this is where I like to come dirt bike riding a lot. And I want to show Daisie some of these cool hills. We're going to try getting some drone footage. We're going to practice some hiking drone footage. Maybe do like a little 4-mile loop before we come back to the truck. And then we're going to take some more drone footage of the truck womping through the mud. Ready, baby?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Or not for motorcycles. Motorcycles can come this way too. It's for trucks. That's my story and I'm sticking to it. Go on ahead. Here she is. 19 Daisies, pro hiker extraordinaire. Okay, we're about to commence the first drone test. We're at a little peak on this climb here. We're eventually going all the way up to that ridge, but there's a second peak right here, and I'm just gonna have the drone follow us from this peak to that peak. That bird's over there going, I've never seen a bumblebee that big before. Okay, back on the trail. First drone test was successful. We're gonna hike up to this ridge here. Might do another drone flight, or we might wait till we get to the other ridge. I haven't decided yet. Look at that view. Whew. Having fun? You want a snack? I gotta learn how to use all the skills. So the only ones we use so far are the orbit and then the tracking. And you can set front, back, side, or front right, front left, back right. Beautiful. Having fun? Good. Not a bad day, huh? Hiking test number 2. Now we've got the drone on a fixed track at a specific angle. So it's just gonna fly out that way and keep its distance from us. And I can bring it in closer or further, but it should be tracking us the whole way, but it won't be swinging wildly. It does kind of sound like a pack of angry bees.
Yeah.
It's the only real downside to a drone. Whoever invents a quiet drone is gonna be a very rich person. You get a better look at the climb.
Yeah. What's that beeping?
That's me clicking the buttons.
Oh.
There it is. Low battery, land soon. Okay.
Come here, little drone. Oh, Jesus, honey.
Pretty close. Can you hold it? We made it. Not too bad for our first day back after Daisie's knee injury and my gallbladder surgery. 3.6 miles, 1,000-ish, bit of a elevation climb. And now it's time for some lunch, and then we'll go get some drone footage of the truck. How's it going, everybody? We're going for a hike today.